My name is Wumi. Welcome to my further maths online teaching class, and in my video I'm taking laws of indices and log reading. In my last video I did multiplication and the division, while in my video right now I'm taking the power and the zero index. In law of indices, when you are having a raised to power 3 or a raised to power 3 raised to power a raised to power 3 raised to power 2, this means a times a times a times a times a times a, close bracket. So this means a times a times a times a times a times a. That's a in 6 places, so it's going to be a raised to power 6. Now let's observe the relationship between the power. That means the power are 3 times 2, which is 6. So therefore a raised to power 3 times 2, that's a raised to power 6. So in general, a raised to power m close bracket n equals to a raised to power m times n, that's a raised to power m n. So when we are talking about power, when you are having double power, you use multiplication. When you are having multiplication, you add the power. When you are having division, you subtract the power. When you are having double power, you multiply the power. While the next one I want to look at is the zero index. When we are given that a raised to power m divided by a raised to power m, so this means a raised to power m over a raised to power m. If we cancel each other, we are going to have 1. So also when we are now giving a, also when you are giving a raised to power m divided by a raised to power m, it will be equals to a raised to power m minus m, which is m minus m is a raised to power 0, and anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this is the zero index, one of the law of indices, whereby you are giving any value raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Then the first one we did earlier was the power, while the second one we did now is the zero index. The next video we are going to do is the negative index and fraction index. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that when I release video on that, you are going to see the notification. Thank you.